Hey, Nini. Nini, who's that baby up there?
Brooks. Brooks.
Is Brooks your favorite? Yeah. And who's his brother?
Sam.
No. Who is Brooks's brother?
Charlotte.
No. Who's Charlotte's brother? Who's this? Who's this?
Lincoln.
Lincoln. And who's that?
Charlotte.
Charlotte. Who's this?
Brooks.
Brooks, your favorite.
Brooks.
And who's that?
Logan.
Logan. Good job,
Now
guys.
do me with the Sam card.
Oh, your Sam card. You love Sam. And Nini, who's your favorite card?
Charlotte.
Charlotte. And you love baby Brooks.
And that's all.
Yeah, you love them.